how to connect Facebook to Monopoly Go. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can connect your Facebook account to Monopoly Go. So make sure to watch the video till the end. To connect your Facebook to Monopoly Go, once you launch Monopoly, tap on the three lines icon or the hamburger icon located from the top right hand side. When you've done that, you'll find all these options. From the bottom, just go to this option called Settings. Now from Settings, you can see various options. Tap on this green button called Manage Account, and here if you have not connected your Facebook, you'll find Play with Friends option with the Facebook logo. So all you have to do is tap on this Play with Friends option, and when you do that, you must be logged in on the Facebook app by default, and when you do so, you can just tap on the Continue button, and after that you will then be able to connect your Facebook account to your Monopoly Go account. Now after you're connected, you will now see the disconnect button, and this way you can connect Facebook to Monopoly Go. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, do feel free to also leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.